The faces of convicts are all faces that have been seen before. They are the wretches whom society chooses to ignore when they pass by in the streets, whose soiled faces and filthy touch are instinctively avoided. They are the dispossessed children of a heartless society, children who have spent their winters without shoes, searching through the trash of grand manners and exclusive clubs for a discarded crust of bread. These men have no understanding of dignity, no self-worth, because dignity is a luxury enjoyed only by the well-fed.
Is there any sensibility for us to import a car or a vehicle of price of 50 lakh rupees or 60 lakh rupees or 70 lakh rupees? You go and see how these vehicles are running on the roads. This poor nation, do we say that we are always asking money from the IMF, asking money from the Americans? Where that money is going? That money is going on these cars. These monies are going to build the castles.
Once lost inside the system meant to correct them, they learn to fear the law, not to respect it. Rather than developing skills that would aid them later in life, skills that could earn them a small income while in jail, they become accustomed to a life of idleness and easy routine.
जज्बात में इंसान जो है गलत कदम उठा जाता है। बहरहाल जो है कोई जानबूझकर जो है जलती हुई आग में हाथ नहीं डालता, क्योंकि जेल जो है अच्छी चीज़ नहीं है। जो भी जाता है उधर पे जो है सुख से नहीं रह सकता है। आज़ाद पंछी आज़ाद होता है, जब उसे पिंजरे में बंद कर दिया जाता है जाहिर है वो फड़फड़ाएगा, आज़ाद घूम नहीं सकता, कहीं दूसरे माहौल में जाके दाना नहीं खा सकता। जिधर है पिंजरे में उसे उधर ही मिलेगा। मुझे डॉक्टरी चेकअप के लिए इधर से ले गए सिविल अस्पताल में, तो भाई के साथ बात हुई। उस भाई ने बोला कि भाई जो है मैं नहीं आ सकता हूँ, आप जिधर पड़े उधर पे ही पड़े रहो, हमें कोई परेशानी नहीं है। बाहर निकल कर अगर अपनों ने साथ दिया तो शायद इंसान भी बन जाए, शायद सुधर भी सकते हैं, हर चीज़ हो सकती है। बहरहाल अपने साथ नहीं देंगे, जाहिर है रोड पर सोना पड़ेगा, मांगना भी पड़ेगा शायद इस जवानी में। काम तो कोई देगा नहीं, क्योंकि एक ठप्पा लग गया इंसान को कि आप मुजरिम हो।
Civilization is no more than a series of successive transformations. With the recent lawyers' movement culminating in the restoration of the Chief Justice, a reform in penal law is visible on the horizon. Sadly, the gallows are the only edifice that revolutions do not topple. The approach to juvenile crime and punishment, based on punitive retribution, needs to be reconsidered. Fear must be replaced with respect and rehabilitation. If crime were to be considered an illness, it would require its own healers, and not jailers and judges to restore the sick souls of convicts. If liberty were equated with health, then hospitals would replace the prisons, and healing balms would be applied to the limbs that were once fettered. Infirmities that once were scourged with anger and vengeance may one day be bathed with love.